In the world of business, a safer tomorrow is not just a hope, it's a commitment we make today. Today we're going to explore how first aid training is the cornerstone of a safer future. First aid training isn't just about compliance, it's about building a safer and more secure workplace. Let's delve into how this training can be a game changer for your organization. And here are the key points to consider. Immediate response to workplace injuries and illnesses, minimize severity and complications through prompt care, enhance safety culture and emergency preparedness, boosted employee morale and their confidence, a commitment to a future where safety is a top priority. A safer tomorrow starts with first aid training today. It's not just a course, it's an investment in the well-being and safety of your team. It's about knowing that you are creating a workplace where everybody goes home safe. A safer tomorrow starts with first aid training today. It's not just a wish, it's the path to a future we can all believe in. Because in your workplace, safety today builds a brighter and a safer tomorrow.